Vehicle service contract is a contract available to purchase for a consumer when buying an automobile, and that's going to protect them in the event of a mechanical breakdown and pay for the repairs of components in the event of those failing. And it's also going to provide that customer a rental vehicle, also going to provide them roadside rescue and several other benefits along with that during that duration of time. Many customers ask, is a vehicle service contract worth it? And the simple answer is absolutely. And the reason being is because today vehicles are more expensive than ever to have fixed or repaired, and a service contract is going to protect that consumer for that long duration of time and also protect them against inflation for future repairs that are continuing to get more and more expensive. A vehicle service contract is going to cover things such as your powertrain components, which are engine, transmission, drive axle, all the way up to all the high-tech components nowadays that are on vehicles, including anonymous braking, lane departure warning, radar cruise control. You know, the list goes on and on with all of the technology on vehicles today. And what that's also going to provide the customer is all the roadside assistance benefits for that duration of time as well. Somebody that owns a wheelchair accessible vehicle, it's extra important for them to look at considering purchasing a vehicle service contract simply because it's not only all the components for the OEM going to be covered for that customer, but now all the mobility equipment is also going to be covered for that consumer as well. Also, what we also provide that consumer is going to be the roadside rescue benefits. So if they were to get stuck, they're going to have that roadside rescue for the ramp not being deployed or being deployed, and also provide that consumer a rental vehicle benefit as well.